All right, so recently got this 2021 Honda CB500X, and I'm going to be making just a few upgrades, mostly all revolving around the arena of protection. So I'm not going to be doing any performance upgrades, anything like that. Everything I'm going to be doing is just to provide a little more protection for the bike. So the first upgrade I'm doing today is a radiator guard. So if we take a look at our radiator, you can see it's in a pretty vulnerable spot. Any kind of rock or other debris from the road could come up and hit the radiator, and that would cause a problem. So they make a lot of aftermarket guards for these, and the one I'm going to show you today is one that's only about $25 you can buy on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below. It's meant for the older CB500Xs all the way up through the 2021 so far, but it does take supposedly a little bit of modification to fit. So I'll show you what we have to do here. All right, so here's the piece. So it's like this powder coated aluminum or steel. I don't know, it's pretty light. And how it's supposed to go is like this. And you can see it's got the two holes in the bottom. It should line up with those screw holes there. Then up at the top, it's got this piece here, which there's a bolt right here. All right, so there's a 10mm bolt at the top of the radiator here. Just loosen that up. So the bottom takes a number 5 metric Allen key. Just a little tiny screw there. All right, so here it is kind of fitted into place. So you can see the top hole lines up. I've got it tucked behind the plastic on the sides. Now I'll just put the screws back in. And actually looks like I'm not gonna have to make any modifications, so that's good. All right, so that's really all there was to it. See, now we've got this nice bit of protection over the radiator. Matches nicely. It's just a little tight over here. You can see it just kind of just slightly bent it, but actually fits real good and looks decent for the $25 that we spent for sure. All right, so that's it for that modification. Hopefully it was helpful. Again, the link will be in the description where you can buy that part for the price. It's a nice, easy, simple upgrade. All right, until next time, we'll see you later.